This is an urgent information that I want to pass out. There is a particular message in the madness sent them about 2 to 3 people. They have sent this message to me. They say that today being the 14th of May 2026, that a certain people the fulani herdsmen, they came with their bikes, they came to Futo, and they are shooting sporadically. They are shooting everywhere. Hana everywhere. And another thing is, within the premises of Futo, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful. This information is coming today, being the 14th of May 2026. They say that these people came with their bike. And Nahan Port Harcourt too. I got another message too that they are in Port Harcourt. They brought them with one big trailer like that and come and drop them. Niha bunde fulani herdsmen. Biko, if you are within those premises, be very careful, be very observant, don't go out late. If you hear kepu kepu norono loge, yes, these people, they are there. They even sent me a video. The person videoed from inside their house and sent me the video where they are shooting, everybody's running up and down. Today being the 14th of May. So the reason why I'm bringing it out, if you see this video, share, and when one negin on our photo, share it to your one so that your one will be very careful. We don't want to lose anybody. And to the security personnel, please, I beg you in the name of God, look into those premises within the area of Futo. Look at that place. According to them, they say that all these bandits, they have entered and they are shooting anyhow. Hana, baby, now, they are, I don't know if they are scaring people or something, but everybody is running up and down. Please share this video massively to get to your brother. Share it on your WhatsApp. Share it everywhere. They are in Futo, in the Fulani bandits, and they are many. They are many from the video I watched. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do well to share your thoughts and do well to share this video. Que mesia.